Hey guys, what's up? Today we will show you how you can set up Microsoft Outlook with the details of SMTP2GO. Sometimes we are trying to send a lot of mail, maybe your wishing card or maybe marriage card or any card or invitation letter with the attachment, and each attachment will send to each user differently. So we are showing how we can do these steps. So this is my SMTP2GO setting. Here I just create a username for the Outlook so that I can identify or differentiate from where the mail is going. So I just give the name Outlook. It's not a big issue. You can give any email, any password. Then we have to open the Outlook. We have to first configure the Outlook. So remember that these Outlook setting, incoming mail server is not important because we will not receive email right now. We will just send email from the Outlook through the SMTP2GO. Okay, now click on the file here or and then just account settings and then manage profiles and then click the email accounts. Okay, now you see that is the email account. So I just first of all I have to create the new. As I have already created this, so I just click the double click. Okay, here I have just put the organization name and the email address from the from email address you have to put there. And you can incoming mail server you can just write it pop dot your mail server. This is not important actually because you will not receive mail with the setting. Rather you will just send a mail from the SMTP2GO. So the most important thing is setting the outgoing mail server. So this field is important. Mail.smtp2go. I just get it from there. Mail.smtp2go. Okay. This is the username. This is not most important because it will not work. So just click this button, just uncheck this button, automatically takes count setting because when you check this button, you cannot go next without completing the settings. But when you uncheck, then you can do it easily. Then go more settings and more settings. We have most important part is that outgoing mail server. You must click the my outgoing server requires authentication. Login using. Just give the username and password that you got from the SMTP2GO. This is the more important part and go to the advanced. In advanced outgoing mail server, just I set the 2525 and encrypted, just select the none because we don't need the encryption option. Incoming mail server, I just put the Gmail incoming mail server, which is 995. But this is not very much important because I will not receive mail. Our main purpose is to send mail. Okay, then just here in general that there is no more option. Just select the outgoing server and advanced server. Here are most important is just outgoing mail server in the SMTP port and all is okay. Then I can test the account setting, but you see that incoming mail server you will not mail. When you see the error, you will see that incoming mail server is not incoming. But in the task, you see that send test email. That means your mail is sending. So that's enough for me. Then close. Then just hit the next button and finish. And that's it. Here I have set up all the setting. Now I will create bulk email. Maybe thousands of email to thousands of user with a different attachment. Okay. Now I just create an Excel file. Here is the Excel file for the database of the mail. This is the name of the user. Maybe here the thousands of name and here maybe the thousands of email. You can also create other fields, name, gender, and everything. The more field you can add, you can use this field. So I just hit save and close. Okay. So this is our database, and now I will open the Word Office. Just take a black document, then go mailing option. This is the mailing option. Then send mail mark and step by step mail mark wizard. Okay. So you don't need to change this. Just later hit the next button and use the current document. Hit the next button. This is not a big issue. And then recipient. This is here important. You have to browse and select the Excel file for the database. This will be used as a database. You click download and mail test. I just open this and this will be our database. Just okay. And then this mail is important and okay. Next, write your letter. I can write my letter now. Like hi. Here will be the name, and this is my letter. Okay. Then hit the next and complete. And there is no more option. Now I will just design this as a letter. You can put the as design anything you can put here. Like I can change the. I'm just trying to put an image so that this will be look better. This device. You can make a certificate or anything like that. No problem. Okay. This is an image, and I make it behind text. Okay. So I can make this. I will put this in a text box. Click the text box here. Just put this. Okay. So if you put this in text box, this will be very easier to handle. Otherwise, it will be tough. Okay. Now I will this will and there should not be any background in the text box. So shape fill no fill. Okay. Now it's match. Okay. And there is a border and shape outline also no outline. Okay. Now it will match. And hi this point there should be name. So again I go to the mailing list and insert and name. Okay. Here this will show the name. You can do this design as you want, right? This is not a big issue. I can make it later. Okay, now I can check whether it's working or not. This is the first mail. This will go to the first recipient, and the second, this will go to the second recipient. Now I will send this mail to all the user. Just click send email message, and I have two fields, mail and name. So this is the mail, and there is a important option, mail format. You can send this as a HTML format. I send it as a attachment. Click the attachment, then this mail will send as a attachment. This is just test wishing. Okay, click the hit. Just the mail is, if it needs the allow, then click the allow button. This is not a big issue. Now you can open the Outlook, and Outlook, this email will go through Outlook. Then this will go to Outlook setting, and I can check whether the email is sending or not. For this, my look at my email, and here is the email I just got. You see, this is the email, and I just see it. You see, this is the number one mail, and I will show you the second one. Okay, I have just opened the another email, and you see, this is here I have received the mail, and this is the Tommy. The second name is Tommy, and the first name is, look at this, first name is Mersus. So two user is getting two email in different format. Thank you so much.